Okay, hi Rose. So today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the video that you produced on the silicone molds for the IV injection training. Okay.
Yes.
Before we get started, do you have any questions or concerns that you wanted to talk about?
So far, no, I would like to hear your feedback.
Okay, so here we go. So what I've got right here is capture of the video in Camtasia, and it's got some edits in it as well. So I'll start from the beginning and we'll work our way through it. Okay, so
Okay.
there you go. So this is your video that you're seeing in the background. And one of the things that we talked about before is that before the video gets started, we should add a list of materials. So the type of silicone, the paper that you use to cover the table, the lab coat, things along those lines. And so what we'll need to do is come up with that written list, and then I'll add it to the beginning of the video in the introduction.
Yes.
Now, before I go any further than that, what I wanted to say was that the video is awesome. It's a really good video.
Oh,
And
thank
and you
you.
did a really good job with it. So these little things that I'm talking about, they're little things to improve the video.
Yes.
But as a basis, as a place to start from, the video is excellent. Okay, so
Thank
it's
you.
just important for you to realize that I actually think very highly of the video.
I really appreciate that, and it means a lot.
Well, you did a really good job. So
Thank you.
what we'll do is we'll add that material list. Okay, so I'm just
Yeah.
going to fast forward through the video a little bit more. Okay, so you did a really good job talking about the fact that you were using gloves and that you put the paper base down. And one of the things that I think would be good, and I'll work with you to add this into the video, is to put callouts, which is effectively what you're seeing right here. So when I do a square around your hand, or I put an arrow down like this, it's a callout because it calls out a feature to draw attention to the video viewer. And so one of the things that we can do is where you think there should be callouts, where you think it would be important, you can write down a note and say, at minute 2, I would like to see a callout here. And I would be able to add it. Okay?
Yes.
All right, so callouts we can do. That's really easy to do. After that, yeah, you want to add more callouts showing where the newspaper is in your materials. Okay, so I'm just going to fast forward through the video. You're doing a really good job in here introducing all your parts. The clean looks really good. You're being methodical in here, which is a really good thing. Okay, so after that, we get to this
Thank
point
you.
right here. Okay. So because of an earlier conversation that we had, here in this part of the video, around 50 seconds in, you say, down below there'll be some notes. And what I realized is that down below is where the closed captioning should go. So when we upload this to YouTube, Google adds automatic captions. So I'm leaving the space black underneath, and we'll put the captions there. But the materials, what we can do is we can either add a call out, or we could take a box like this and we can put it to the side, like right here. Okay. Okay.
No, that's okay. I appreciate all the feedback. It's perfect. I know like all the details. I have a reference and you're going to send me. I'm really thankful. Thank you.